Hey everyone, the well-known audio brand Marshall has unveiled the black and steel color variation of the Emberton II portable speaker series, a compelling addition to the already well-liked model. This latest version features an eye-catching blend of metallic gray grilles with silver accents, a central control button and the Marshall emblem, all tastefully wrapped in a smooth leather-like black fabric. The most recent Emberton II has been updated in terms of appearance, but it still has the same outstanding technological qualities as its predecessors, which guarantees rich sound quality. One of the standout features of the Marshall Emberton II is its ability to deliver rich, clear, and loud 360-degree sound, made possible by Marshall's proprietary True Stereophonic technology. Despite its compact dimension, this portable speaker packs a powerful punch, easily rivaling larger speakers in terms of audio performance. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, the Emberton II is developed to accompany you with over 30 hours of battery life on a single charge, allowing for uninterrupted music playback throughout the day. Moreover, its robust construction is dust and water resistant, boasting an IP67 rating for added durability and peace of mind. Additionally, the speaker charges fully in just 3 hours, ensuring minimal downtime between uses. For those looking to amplify their listening experience, the Emberton II offers stack mode, enabling users to connect multiple speakers for a synchronized audio experience that fills larger spaces with impressive sound quality. Fine-tuning the audio is made easy with the Marshall Bluetooth app, available for both Android and iOS devices. The app allows users to customize equalizer presets, ensuring the sound profile matches their preferences perfectly. Furthermore, regular updates via the app help keep the speaker running smoothly and up to date with the latest features and improvements. Marshall's commitment to environmental sustainability is also evident in the Emberton II speaker. The company has incorporated 50% recycled plastic in its construction, showcasing a dedication to reducing environmental impact. Moreover, the speaker is completely free from PVC, further emphasizing Marshall's eco-friendly approach without compromising on quality or performance. The Marshall Emberton II portable speaker, priced at $169, is currently on sale in black and steel colorway. Customers can acquire the new color option at no additional cost, because this pricing is comparable to other color variants in the Emberton II series. To sum up, the Marshall Emberton II black and steel version is a fashionable and adaptable partner for music lovers who are always on the go, because it blends fascinating looks with strong audio performance. With its robust build, extended battery life, adaptable functions, and environmentally responsible design, the Emberton II carries on Marshall's tradition of providing excellent sound quality in a small portable form. We really appreciate you staying with us. Have a good day, and may God continue to bless you.